Hello everyone, here's Evita again. Welcome back to my channel. We have internet again, so I'm just having a coffee break and then I'll start uploading the videos I made last week. Please enjoy it. Hello everyone, good morning. Here's Evita. It is very mild today, but it looks like there will be rain coming down very soon. And I would like to take care of the Hydrangea climber that I have here on the wall, north wall of our house. I haven't pruned this really hard for a few years, and I would like to do that today because it's just growing closer and closer to the pathway here, topiary pathway. So I'll be doing that. Hopefully I can finish it before the rain comes down. These are the flamenco zinnias, and they should actually grow taller according to the package, but since I didn't stake it early enough, it was just falling from the wind, and it's now kind of tangled there and crooked. Anyway, I'll save some seeds. I like the color, and there are some variations there. Look at this one and this one. It's beautiful. So I'll collect some seeds and then I'll try again next year. I will be cutting the gold raspberries now all the way down. There are still some berries hanging to it, but it's just too wet and then they turn mashy right away. I can still pick some and just eat it directly, but I will be cutting the gold raspberries now all the way down, and they will have new growth coming from the roots in springtime. I usually wait really late before cutting them, but since I have time, I'll just cut them all the way down and just put some mulch. I have so many from the cuttings. So I'll do that now, cut them all the way down, take the watering system off, just pull them out so I can scatter some mulch there, and then I can just put them back in spring. I cut down all the raspberries here. I took off the stepping stones that I put here. I pulled the watering system off and just rolled them up there. They can stay over the winter. And so what I'll do now is put some mulch here, the ones that were shredded from all the tree branches that were cut off. So I'll put them here. That will make the soil even better for spring for the berries. And I also took off all the tomatoes here, just left them there on the bed, and then I'll just chop them with a spade and maybe put some mulch on top too. So this part of the garden is now ready. It's all cleaned up, and I did the mulching here on the raspberry bed and the tomato bed. And to the left is also looking good. So this is now cut nicely, and I'm expecting a lot of blooms in springtime. Okay guys, that's it for now, and I hope to see you again in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye now.